Now the topic before us is antivirus or anti-malware. Which do I need? First question arises is what is the meaning of antivirus? Antivirus is a software which protects our computer system from viruses. Let us read. Antivirus software scans your computer for known viruses, identifies and removes them. Traditional antivirus programs are focused on combating viruses specifically. Now another question arises, what is then anti-malware? Anti-malware is a software which protects our computer system or mobile devices from malicious softwares including viruses, trojans, ransomware, spyware, adware, bombs, etc. In one of our courses, we had discussed that virus is only one type of malicious software. On the other hand, malware is a much broader term which includes not only viruses but also worms, Trojan horses, spyware, adware. So, in the same way, to combat with the viruses, antivirus software is there, and to take care of malicious software, including viruses, anti-malware has been developed by the cyber experts. So now let us read what is written about anti-malware. Anti-malware programs are designed to detect and block or remove a wider range of malicious software, including viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, spyware, adware, and more. The anti-malware software often provide additional features. What are those? These features are real-time protection. That is, they go on continuously scanning our system to find out any malicious activity or malicious software in our system. Web browsing protection. Web browsing protection means when we are visiting various sites, it will protect our computer system from any malicious software. Some anti-malware programs also provide the facility of email scanning. Email scanning means it will scan the emails which are going into our system or going out of our system, so that there may not be any malicious software in our emails. Then is email also antivirus anti-malware program may also provide the facility of behavior based detection. That is, it detects the malicious software on the basis of behavior of the malicious software. So anti-malware is a bigger term and it provides protection not only against viruses but also against other types of malicious software, and the anti-malware may also provide us other features which have been discussed: email scanning, real-time scanning, web protection, behavior scanning, etc. Now the question arises whether I should purchase antivirus or anti-malware. When the cyber criminals started developing the malicious software some decades ago, firstly they developed viruses to carry out their nefarious deeds. With the passage of time, they developed other forms of malicious software, say worms, Trojan horses, and ransomware. So the term virus came into existence quite earlier, and the term malware came into existence after many decades. By the time the term malware came into existence, the term virus has become ingrained in the minds of the people that till the people make use of the term virus even when we are talking about malware. So let us read. When cybersecurity software was first developed, it was called antivirus software simply because viruses were the most common threat at that time. With the passage of time, other types of malware came into existence. More comprehensive anti-malware software was introduced. Nevertheless, the antivirus term struck in the minds of the people. These days, there is no distinction when it comes to antivirus or anti-malware. Nobody is offering software that detects and removes viruses only and ignores bombs, trojans, ransomware, and spyware. It means that the companies which are developing the softwares or security softwares are developing such type of security softwares which take care of not only the viruses but also the other types of malicious softwares. So in fact, these days antivirus of reputed companies offer wide ranging protection. It means that the security softwares which have been developed by the companies are now providing wide ranging protection to take care of not only the viruses but also the other types of malicious softwares, that is the malware. As the technology is changing very fast and the cyber criminals are developing new and new types of viruses or other forms of malicious software, it is high time that we also change our mindset and do not run after the free antivirus software. We should install that security software on our system, computer system, which provides us the maximum protection from the cyber security attacks, such as the antivirus software should has the feature of 24/7 real-time threat protection. That is, it should continuously going on scanning our system for any malicious software which may intrude into our system. The antivirus software should provide the facility of automatic updates of signatures of the viruses or heuristic algorithms. It should provide us web protection, email scanning, and behavior based analysis. And another important point is the antivirus should be compatible with our operating system, such as Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, etc. Because every operating system has its own features, and if we install such an antivirus software in our computer system which is not compatible with the operating system of our computer system, then the performance of our computer system may become slow because they may interfere with the working of each other and they may not work in harmony with each other. So keep in mind that whenever we are purchasing antivirus or anti-malware software, we should purchase it from established and trusted company which has the history of providing reliable and effective security solution. We should also check the reviews from reputable sources to gauge the effectiveness of the software. You can check the reviews which have been put on the Amazon, Flipkart, or other sites regarding the particular brand of antivirus or anti-malware software. And after going through these reviews, or you may consult your friends or other persons who may be having knowledge about the cybersecurity, and only after that you should go in for the purchase of particular type of antivirus software. You should apply your own mind while purchasing the antivirus software. It is extremely important to keep our security software up to date. We should regularly scan our computer system. We should adopt safe browsing habits. We should regularly update operating system and applications, and we should be cautious of email attachments and downloads. And only by adopting these type of cybersecurity best practices we can maintain a secure computing environment. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.